thank you, Anchor. I am Via Vitabamo and I'm here to talk about the two Filipinos about their experience with educational technology. So our first guest is...
My name is Vince Jogo, who was a computer engineering student. That's all.
So, would you mind if I ask you a few questions, sir?
Sure, ma'am.
So the first question is, how has technology helped you in your studies?
I can say that technology is my best partner when it comes to studying or helping with my studies. Not only it would make it easier, but also it can reduce the time to prepare, and also that it is easier to consume my studies or what I'm studying.
Oh, that's amazing. Would you mind if I ask you another question, the last question, sir?
Sure.
So what strategies do you use to keep up with the latest trends in educational technology?
I think everyone is familiar with artificial intelligence tools nowadays, so it is one of my best strategies to keep up with the trends. I used it to create a reviewer for me. I also used it as a teacher. Instead of watching countless hours of video tutorials and using the Google search engine, so I use the AI tool when I want to ask something I don't quite understand. It's like having an instructor where you can ask many questions.
So thank you very much for sharing your experience and knowledge. That would be also, have a good day, sir.
Now let's hear from Miss Mona Lisa, an elementary advisor. First question, what is the importance of EdTech and education today?
EdTech education is important because it improves children's and it improves learnings. It makes education accessible and so for teachers and helps students develop their digital skills needed to today's world.
Second question, what role do teachers and parents play in the responsible use of technology?
Teachers educate students on safe and ethical technology use, while parents provide guidance, supervisions, and support to help children develop their responsible digital habit.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Back to you, anchors.
Thank you. Today's interview shows how technology has become an important part of education. However, its success depends on how responsibly and effectively it is used.
Students, teachers, and parents all have important roles in making technology a tool for learning, creativity, and growth rather than distraction.
As we continue to embrace innovation, let us remember that technology is most powerful when it's used with purpose, responsibility, and collaboration.
This has been CNC News.
And always remember, the true challenge is not simply using technology, but is learning how to
Leverage technology as a Filipino in 21st century.
Thank
Thank you.